In this video, I will show you how to sell Solana on Phantom Wallet. To do this, go and open up Phantom Wallet, and you can see I have some Solana right here. Now, if you want to sell it for a fiat currency, then what you will need to do is click Send, select Solana, and then from here you will need to send it to an exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or KuCoin, any crypto exchange where you can sell crypto for actual fiat currency. So if you want to sell it for your US dollar, euro, something like that, then you need to transfer it over to a different exchange. So then on the exchange, just click deposit crypto, get your Solana wallet address, paste that in at the top right here, and then you can send the money there. Now, if you want to keep it in Phantom Wallet, then the next best thing you can do is selling it for a stablecoin such as USDT, which tracks the US dollar. So if you just click swap, then at the top set it to Solana, at the bottom you can select USDC, which is a stablecoin, or for example USDT. Then here enter how much you want to do. For example, I'll set it to 25%. And then it will show you how much you are going to get. So then you can click swap now. Now it's swapping the tokens for you, and this is basically selling your Solana because you are selling it for a different cryptocurrency, but that cryptocurrency is a stable coin, which means it's basically the same as having it in US dollar. So now here you can see it's now in USDT instead of Solana. So those are the two ways that you can sell Solana on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.